Given below are two statements. Statement first is Bodo is one of the scheduled language of India. And second statement is Nepali is one of the scheduled languages of India. So in the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the option given below. The correct answer is A. That is, both statement first and statement 2 are correct. PMGSY is established in which year? The correct answer is A. 2000. So, PMGSY is Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. Aims at providing connectivity by means of properly laid all-weather surface roads to all the unconnected habitation. And this scheme was launched by Prime Minister on 25th December 2000. MGNREGA Act was launched in which year? The correct answer is C. That is 2005. So, National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005, which is called NREGA, that is National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005. This later named as MGNREGA, that is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. So basically NREGA is launched on 2005, but later it is renamed as Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act in 2009. And this is an Indian labor law and social security measures that aims to guarantee the right to work. And this act was passed in 23rd August 2005 under the UPA government of Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, following tabling of the bill in parliamentary by the Minister for Rural Development Raghuvansh Prasad Singh. National Pension System NPS is launched in which year? The correct answer is B, that is 2004. So, National Pension Scheme is a government sponsored pension scheme and it was launched in January 2004 for government employees. In 2009, it was open to all sections. The scheme allows subscriber to contribute regularly in pension account during their working life. On retirement, subscribers can withdraw a part of the corpus in a lump sum and use the remaining corpus to buy an annuity to secure a regular income after retirement. Match list 1 with list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. So, the correct answer is D, that is list 1 is constitutional provision and list 2 is adopted from. So, first one is Charter of Fundamental Rights. The correct answer is United States Constitution. Second one is the idea of residual powers. The correct answer is Canadian Constitution. Third is the Planning Commission and 5-year plans. The correct answer is Soviet Constitution. Fourth one is enunciation of directive principles of state policy. The correct answer is Irish Constitution. Which of the following is an indirect tax? The correct answer is B, that is service tax. Service tax is tax levied by the government on service providers on certain service transactions but is actually borne by the customers. So it is categorized under indirect tax and came into existence under the Finance Act 1994. What is the limit for FDI in multi-brand? The correct answer is D, that is 51%. The government cleared the proposal to allow up to 51% foreign direct investment in multi-brand retails, and the government has allowed the FDI on the condition that states will be allowed to decide whether they want to opt for it. Bhamasha Financial Empowerment Scheme was launched by the government of which of the following states? The correct answer is C, that is Rajasthan. So Bhamasha Yojana is a scheme introduced by the government of Rajasthan to transfer financial and non-financial benefit of governmental schemes directly to women recipients in a transparent way. And this scheme was inaugurated by Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje on 15th August 2014. Kutir Jyoti scheme of the central government aims at, the correct answer is C, that is providing electricity to BPL and low income group in rural areas. So the aim is to boost the electrification of families that are below the poverty line. And the policy aimed to extend single point light connection to household of rural BPL families. These were to include Harijan and tribal families as well. Varishth Pension Bima Yojana will be administered by, the correct answer is B, that is LIC. So the scheme is administered through Life Insurance Corporation of India. Under the scheme, the subscriber on payment of a lump sum amount get pension at a guaranteed rate of 9% per annum. Which of the following bodies organization regulates the security market in India? The correct answer is D, that is SEBI. So the Security and Exchange Board of India is the regulatory authority established under the SEBI Act 1992 and is the principal regulator for stock exchange in India. Who presides over the joint session of Indian Parliament? The correct answer is D, that is Speaker of Lok Sabha. The joint sitting of the Parliament is called by the President of India and is presided over by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha by the Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha. The joint sitting of the Parliament is called by the President of India, Article 108, and is presided over by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha or in their absence by the Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha or in their absence the Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Who advocated the adoption of PURA model to eradicate rural poverty? The correct answer is A, that is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So provision of urban amenities to rural areas. The full form of PURA is provision of urban amenities to rural areas. Concept given by former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and framed by Professor Emerson is a strategy for rural development in India. Which one of the following does not match? The correct answer is C, that is Domestic Violence on Women Act 1990. So protection of women from Domestic Violence Act is 2005, not 1990. So Parliament of India an act to provide for more effective protection of the rights of women guaranteed under the Constitution who are victims of violence of any kind occurring within the family and for matters connected or incidentally. The fundamental right can be suspended by the correct answer is B, that is President. The fundamental right can be suspended by the President. So these fundamental rights can be suspended during an emergency by the President of India under Article 359. Which of the following scheme is launched to provide pension to people in unorganized sector in India? The correct answer is E, that is Swavlamban. The Swavlamban scheme is a Government of India incentive for unorganized sector, and this is a pension scheme available to provide the retirement benefit to unorganized sector, and under this scheme the Government of India contribute 1000 rupees per year. Division of powers and independent judiciary are the two important features of. The correct answer is C, that is federal form of government. What is the full form of Niti in Niti Aayog? National Institution of Transforming India. And Niti Aayog was formed a resolution of the Union Cabinet on 1st January 2015. And Niti Aayog is the premier policy think tank of the Government of India, providing directional and policy inputs. What is the slogan of Jan Dhan Yojana? The correct answer is C, that is Mera Khata Bhagya Vidhata. So it was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 15th August 2014, and the slogan of the scheme is Mera Khata Bhagya Vidhata. The scheme was launched after the failure of previous government schemes including Swabhiman. Given below are two statements. First statement is Indian Constitution uses the word minority to mean any section of citizens having a distinct language, script or culture. And statement 2 is this may be whole community living within a majority community. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the option given below. So the correct answer is A, that is both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.